Hello, guys. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing all right. So, welcome to a brand new week. So, last week I was just like looking at the charts. I didn't take any trade, and I'll explain why I didn't take any trade last week. There are some specific reasons why I tend to like stay up the market these days and just want to look at price. So, it's quite funny that you can see what the dollar is doing. Yeah, you can see that the dollar is actually consolidating in this box right here, and this is this is not a place for me to trade. I don't like something like this. My strategy is normally round about continuations, trend following trades. That's kind of my strategy. So trading consolidation like this, because I'm usually fair value gap kind of trader. So trading consolidation like this is not really my cup of tea. But consolidation like this, yeah, you can literally do it in the lower time frame, whereby if market tends to like get to the extreme, you want to trade it back to the other side. But for me, it's not something I want to measure myself into. Like, it just messes with your head in general. So I tend to sit out the market last week, and this week we don't know what will definitely happen if we are sitting out the market or if we're actually trading as well. So why I said we don't know if we're trading this week or we're still sitting out was because, or it's because rather, you can see that this candle, Friday candle now, is closing. I was expecting a body close below, so I was like, okay, then Monday can be a consolidation, then Tuesday can go into the fair value gap, have a rejection a little bit, then Thursday follow through to the downside. That was my overall narrative. But towards the ending of Friday, you can see that markets still tend to close inside the range. Market closing inside the range is not something I want to like coming in on Monday, then I want to be looking for price action. But if you can see now the euro, if you go to the 15 minutes time frame now, for example, you can see the 15 minutes time. London tends to give this move, but this is not what I want to be looking at. I love trading from the higher time frame. So coming back to the dollar, like we explained earlier, if the dollar today, if the dollar, looking at today's candle, if the today's candle still close inside this range, that it didn't give a body close below, you see this fair value gap that is about to be formed here. This fair value gap. What's that? You see this fair value gap is about to be formed here. This fair value gap. I will not still be looking for price action from this fair value gap to the downside. It depends. I want to go down to my 4-hour time frame and see if I can see a structure shift in the 4-hour time frame before looking for lower price. I want to see a body close below. Then instead of me looking price to come into this fair value gap, I'll be looking for price to come into this candle here, this bullish candle. I'll wait for price. If price should close below, I'll wait for Tuesday to come into this bullish candle. It's the bullish candle, then I'll look for lower prices without expecting price to come back to this fair value gap. That's just my narrative coming into price today. So regardless, coming to this week rather. So regardless, we just sit and wait. I know that it's quite difficult. One thing about trading is that you can see January, February months have been giving you good price action. Now, since August, we've been consolidating. Brothers and sisters, I just feel there are sometimes you don't tend to like go into the market and look for things. Sometimes you just sit and wait and see what price actually does. Just like you can come into the market every day and you can just look at the chart, you can journal, and you can leave. But not trading in this place. Yes, your setup can actually appear, but the probability will be very, very low because probability of the stuff working is quite low. But regardless, like I said earlier on, I saw some good setup last week, but I didn't just take them because market is still inside the range. And if price is going to my take profit and coming back, I will just be like all over the place because I won't be settled thinking that, oh, what bad market stopped me out or this. my psychology would not be that strong if I'm trading this kind of range bound market. So you can want to look at other pairs. You can want to look at other instruments like other instruments like indices, ES, and indices. The metals. You can want to look at stocks, but I tend to like. I just love the USD pairs, that USD, Euros, GBP. I just love them. So I'm just waiting patiently to see if market will actually leave this range, because now as you can see, market actually swept this top. Market swept this lows. They're coming in again, sweeping this low. They're coming again, looking like sweeping this low. Let's just a break. Let us say a break, like a body close. Then we can say, okay, we want to take lower price. We end up the video here, and probably if anything should pop up during the week, I will definitely update you guys. But for me personally, I'm just sitting and waiting. I'm just waiting, because waiting is winning as well. Waiting is profitable as well. You're just waiting. You're not risking your capital. You're just waiting and you're learning in the process. So just wait and let this phase pass before you want to be looking at things. Okay, guys, thanks. I'll update you guys if anything should happen this week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.